So I'm going to be building an RGB circuit. So this is a RGB model or RGB model. So you plug it onto the breadboard. Yes. So now I'm going to be needing these 4 wires. So the jumper wires, red, green, blue, and then white. So we take our red jumper wire on the breadboard where it's indicated R. We connect the red jumper wire, and now B for blue and then J for green. So J, we take the green jumper wire, and then blue we also take the blue, and then the white has the GND. These are the jumper wires. So now we are going to connect the red jumper wire to pin 9 is pin 9 for the red jumper wire. So no, we are going to connect it to pin 8 rather. Then now the green jumper wire will go to pin 9 instead. And now our blue will go to pin 10. And now I'm going to connect the white jumper wire to the GND. Over here, we're fitting the code for the 8. So for which is red, for red light to turn on. So if I connect the GND right now, you realize that I've changed the code over here to low, which means the red light is supposed to turn off. But if I'm to change it to high right now and then I compile it, so now it is done compiling. So now we are going to upload it. So now we are done with the upload. So you can see over here that our red light is turned on, and then if you change the code over here to low, the red light turns off. Then now for the red light to blink, we are going to add a little bit to our code. So delay, I think we can copy this code, Control C, and then we paste that code over here. Then now we change these numbers to 8 and 8. So we are going to compile our code. Compilation is done, so now we upload. So you can see here that the LED is blinking. So this is for the red light of the RGB model. So now we are going ahead to do for the green light to turn on. So for the green light, let's go back to the previous code. And this was not here, so let's delete this one. So for the green light model is 9. So you change the pin to 9 and the digital light also to 9. So you change here to 3, and then we change here to green as well. And we change the number, the pin to 9. Then now we done compiling, so we are going to upload our code. Our green light has turned on. Yes, so this is our green light. So now to write the code for the green light to turn off, you just change this side to low. And then our green light turns off, as you already know, for the previous one, as in the red. So yes, so we already know that if you change the code over here, it's going to turn off the light. Now we want to write the code for so same code here. Control. Okay, now if we take it from green here, Control C, then we paste the same code right here. Now we know that the output of green is 9. The pin for green is 9, so 9 and 9 as well. So we are going to compile this code. So now we are done compiling, so we upload. We are done uploading it, so you can see over here that the green light is blinking. Yes. So now our last color to do is blue light. So I'm going to change this here to delete. So now the pin for blue light is 10, and here is also 10. So 6 digital pin for blue light, and here to blue light. So we are going to run this code. We are done with the compiling, so I'm now come to upload for blue light to turn on. So now we are done uploading. So you see that our blue light is now on. So this is the code for turning on our blue light. Same method for turning the blue light off. You change the code for the digital light to low. That way our code will turn off. Then now for the blinking, pardon me for continuously copying it. So 10 and 10. So instruction to 10 blue LED. 10 on blue LED. Control C, Control V, and Control V, Control V. So now we are going to compile. So now we are uploading our video, our code, sorry. So you can see right here that it's loading. So when you bring the camera here, see that after it is done compiling here, it starts to blink at an interval of 1 second. So this is blinking blue light. So now just code. So this is the code for the RGB lights to blink. So I'm about to upload this code. For now we are still on the blue blinking. So I'm compiling the code so we see how it will turn out. Then now we upload. After compiling, then we upload. So we're still waiting to see the changes. So now changes at intervals: red, green, blue, red, green, blue. Yes. And I am going to be programming for lime green light. So lime green light. So I'm going to change the analog light to 8, pin 8 and 50 for the RGB. And now for 9, I'm going to change 205. And for 10, we go to these 50. So now here we change to 50. Here is to 205. And then here is to delete 50. So after the compilation, then now we upload it. So after the uploading is done, you see that our light changes to lime green. So yeah, this is our lime green light. And then if you have to change it for purple to, it's going, so now we are changing the light to purple. So we're going to change here to 128, and then for the green we give it 0, and then for the blue we give it maybe 128. So you change here 128 0, and then 128 as well. So we're going to compile this code. So now we're going to upload to change the color of the light from lime green to purple. So you realize that our light will soon change from lime light to purple. So yeah, this is purple based on the code changes we did. So now we are going to do for pink as well. Written a code for purple light to change this side to 180, change here to 105. And change here to 255. So we are going to compile this code. You can look up on here. So we are uploading the code onto the arduino. So we are going to see that the light here changes to pink. But this kind of pink. Yeah, so this is for pink. And now with the last one we are going to do for white. So everything here will be changed to 255, and then 255 as well. 255. So look. So we compile our code. So now we're going to upload our code. Yeah, so we are done uploading the code. So there should be some changes. So this is our code. This is the white RGB for white light. Yes. So we are done for this module.